Hey, it's Sarah with Papercraft Junkie, and today I wanted to show you how I'm making some fun winter ATC cards, artist trading cards. So I have already prepped some of my supplies here. I have a printable on my website, Papercraft Junkie, where I was playing and I made all of these hounds in hats. If you know me, I'm a beagle lover, and so I kind of went through bloodhounds, dachshunds, basset hounds, and then we also have a German short-haired pointer, so she got in there, and pugs, of course, had to be pugs. So I played with these, and I made an ephemera fussy cut kind of sheet for that. So I fussy cut out all my little dogs. Look how cute they are. Oh my God. So I print them, I cut them out, and then here's what we're going for. So what I like to do with my, to make artist trading cards is I take a piece of 12 by 12 paper, and I use, let's see, what did I use? I paint it with acrylic paint. I paint over, just really kind of sloppily, just get one coat with the Snow White acrylic paint from, what's that one's from? Hobby Lobby. I'm sure you can get it anywhere. And so I did, I think I've got two different sheets that I did this on. I just paint over it really lightly so that it makes a very, like, just a muted tone for the background. See how it's just kind of a little bit muted for the background here. And I did that on two sheets. It dries very quickly. And then, so artist trading cards are 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So I got just navy blue cardstock, and I cut that into 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. And then once the paint was dry on these, I cut these into 2 1/4 by 3 1/4, so that they kind of sit inside of these, because you don't want your artist trading card to go bigger than 2.5 by 3.5. So that's how I prepped. I cut everything out here, and then my little doggies are all cut out. Where's my book? I also have just gone, obviously I was super prepared for this. What was I just turned on the camera and got started. I wanted to chat with y'all. I need my, where did those go too? I think those are on my desk. My goodness, Sarah. I'm just kind of out of it. Stickers. I will link these on Amazon, just saying stickers. These all seem to be, you know, just kind of cute little stickers. They come in black and white. Black background and a white background. They have pretty much the same sayings on them. And so I just cut those out and did that. I have just gone to Goodwill and bought some, here's my Goodwill receipt, bought some books. I just go and I buy books that have a nice big hard cover, because I might want to take all the pages out eventually and use the cover as a junk journal. Although this one's a little warped. I'm not sure that's going to be a good one. And then I just rip out pages here and there to use as the background little piece on my ATC cards, artist trading cards. So that's all I did, right? I've got my vintage photo ink, scissors. Okay, I think I finally have all of my stuff together. I do have some glue here. I've got a whole bunch more glue too. I have been using the kids' disappearing purple glue stick, and I'm gonna say that hasn't been working real well. So I have a whole pack of this Scotch glue stick over there. This was just a glue stick that I found in a drawer, trying to use that up before I dig into my new Scotch. But this doesn't stick real well. I'm having to kind of go back over things. Okay, so on this, what I do to rip it into small pieces, I have this little fun little ruler, and it makes the edges, like the funky edges, and you just kind of can rip it. Look at that. And it makes that kind of torn edges. I kind of cut off the page numbers and the white. I go around the page and just kind of rip off the edges here. La 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 la. It's the day after Christmas. I hope that everyone has had nice holidays and you're preparing for the new year. I have some crafting goals, I know, for the new year. Learn some new techniques and get this YouTube channel up and going, and my Instagram channel up and going, and my store, Papercraft Junkie, which these should be should be under ephemera pieces, I think there. So the paper, so I've ripped the paper, it's got some torn edges, and then I can just maybe rip a little bit, rip this into half maybe, right, to put some pages, some little bits on the background here. So first I want to, I think I'm going to use this one. I'm going to go around the edges and I'm going to ink the edges of my torn paper just to kind of age it a little bit. So it looks, again, not so bright, that I'm trying to kind of tone things down a little bit. You know what I've seen a lot of people doing that I've been doing is using an old magazine for gluing on so that I don't get it on my little table here. So I'm going to put the lid on this so it doesn't dry out, because, you know, I've done that before. Hopefully I'm still in the middle, you can still see me. I am going to put just some glue on the back of this page. And again, it's not gonna be, who did I do before? Do we wanna do a Basset Hound here? You can tell the difference. See, you can see Basset, Bloodhound. They both have the really long ears, but the Bloodhound has all of the wrinkles. I also have worked with a local rescue and foster dogs, and we did foster a Bloodhound. Ooh, that was a lot. She had a lot of just snot. What's this one? This one is a Basset, so let's go with the Bloodhound. Just not snot, but like slime, like they drool all the time. Super sweet dogs, very sweet, very kind, but just a lot of drool. She had come from a hoarding situation. She was very sad. Gosh, she was sad. And a woman drove all the way down to Texas from Illinois and adopted her, and it was amazing. Okay, so my little Bloodhound here, we're just gonna glue him on. I go around the edges typically, and then swipe down the middle and glue him on there. And then I wanna glue onto our artist trading card background. So I'm gonna glue around the edges again of this. It's really helpful when you have everything cut and you can just put it all together really fast. Usually that's not how I craft. As you saw, I'm just kind of flying by the seat of my pants half the time. I've got 3 kids and 4 dogs and a job and yeah, all of this stuff. Like, yeah, there's a lot going on. So, look how cute he is. What do we want him to say today? Today is a new day. What did I say? I said say hello to a new day on the last one. Okay, maybe not. Go out and make things happen. Believe in yourself. How about that? Believe in yourself. So you can do it straight across like that. You can cut the edges and cut them apart and make it I kind of like to cut it apart, actually. I think I will do that. Cut the words apart and just kind of stagger it a little bit. I just like that look a little bit more. But when I do that, it cuts really close on that edge and it's not so close on that edge. So I will cut close on this edge also, just to match up the edges a little bit. Believe in yourself. This one doesn't need so much cut off. Believe in yourself. There we go. So yeah, artist trading cards are super easy to make. You can make them out of anything. You could collage the whole thing. Like, you don't have to do the scrapbook paper like I do. I just like to do that because I like the lighter background. Let me see if I can find some of my others. Here's some of the Christmas ones that I did. I don't know if I did a video on these or not, but these are using Keely O'Brien and Nicole Tim's Christmas ephemera book that's just for ATC cards. Look at the pugs. This was when I was like, okay, these are all Christmas. I want winter ones. So I just went and created my own. But I did the same kind of, painted the background. This paper was all Christmassy paper. And so, yeah, so wintry, I think of blue. So I wanted to do a little bit more in the blue tones. You don't have to do what I'm doing and painting it. You can leave it however you like. You cannot double it, although it does make it super strong. They're very strong. I do also tend to write the date that I created them on the back, just so that they kind of look, you can make a ton. Like, I have all the supplies for 24 of them here. So you can make a ton really fast. That's also what I like about ATC cards. I can do this super fast if I'm feeling crafty and I don't have a lot of time. I can, have all of this cut and be like, I can just come to this project whenever I want to come to it. So yeah, ATC cards are the way to go. If you want Hounds and hats, that's on my website. There's also a ton of ephemera books on Amazon. I can link to some of Keely's. She's got a new one that I just saw her come out with today. So yeah, hopefully you jump in and let me know what kind of ATC cards you like to design. Have a great day.